Hello everybody. I'm sorry I haven't posted in what has it been? 3 days? Yeah, I think so. I was gonna post yesterday, but then I had family stuff. No, I was like too busy, you know. But yeah, okay. So today we're going to be playing Super Animal Royale. Only some OGs know about this that have been watching my channel for a long time. That I played this game before. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the video. And yeah, so let's play. Okay, back. Let's see, where should I land? Not many ranches right under, maybe swamps, honestly. I don't even think I'll be able to make it. We'll probably just stop at Super Animal Farms. Cause you can't really even go far. Oh, never mind, I made it. I made it, yeah, so. Let's just hope I find an enemy soon. Yeah, I wanted to post today so then y'all don't have like no uploads. So then this can tie you over. Map. Okay, we are in the we're in the circles, so I mean can't believe I came back to content on this game. Honestly. Yeah, it's fun, but it does get pretty repetitive. But yeah, it's still a fun game. I have been getting better at it. Whoa, what the frick? Okay. Yeah, this is my pickaxe. This is just like an easy way to get health juice. And explosives, etc. So I only came out with one weapon, so. You know there was a pistol back there, but I'm stupid, so. I keep finding all these explosives though. Okay. We now have a pistol as our secondary. Oh, I just saw an enemy in here. I swear. Oh, they probably moved. Because they saw me with an AK. They must not have that something good then. So, that's a plus. Bro, I didn't even know the storm. Shut up. We're going to get caught. in the storm. Damn, that sucked. I got 2 kills though at the end. Sadly I couldn't die because of skunk bomb. Skunk bombs are kinda annoying. Also kinda not annoying. I want the blue jay. Just give me the blue jay. Okay. 7 minutes in. Let's get another game. Okay. Let's see. Let's just go to the emu ranch. Emu. Whatever y'all Australians call it. The emus. Oh, that's kangaroos. I'm stupid. I'm a dumbass, bro. I'm a dumbass. Honestly. Get this. Holy shit. That we actually needed that so bad. Holy crap. Oh crap. We actually have good stuff. This game actually likes me. Damn. Whoever's here is gonna die. Or we will die. Saw's impossible. Whatever. Shut up. I don't care. Get this, get that, blah blah blah. Fortnite Battle Pass. Sorry if you hear humans in the back. Beat him. He didn't have anything that good. I just want this AK. That's the really reason I came over. Should we just tape it up? Yeah, let's just tape it up. Okay. So we are cool. Let's drink some health juice inside of here. It's cute, right? Oh no, we already have health juice. I'm stupid. The delivery mole has arrived. What? Cool, I guess. Enemy. Got him. I've gotten better at this game, which is crazy. Wait, we just need to tape up the armor. Okay. Grab this. This usually has good stuff. Yeah, see, like, we got a rare shotgun. See what I mean? See, look, they're all around this area. They're all around here. That didn't have anything good. Well, I mean, it had a good gun, but... I heard gunshots. I heard gunshots. What's like a mom that does not know about games? Just let this 5-year-old play this, and like 15 minutes later, the 5-year-old comes crying because they saw like their dog die that they personally named Jared or something. That would be funny as hell. What's up, Jit? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Thanks for your crap. I mean, it wasn't really good, but yeah. Thanks. Skunk gas is coming in, and it's faster. You know in Fortnite that it's slower the more it comes in? Yeah, that's the opposite in this game. We have 3 kills. There's 12 people left, 11 people, including me. There's 10 players remaining. I'm literally sweating my balls. My hand is sweating very badly. The delivery mule has arrived, bro. Shut up. God damn. Yeah, you glad we get it. There's a mole, okay? On your disgusting face. Let's see. Someone was just here. They just killed somebody. I swear to God. There's somebody baiting, I think. Is there a person baiting? They're eventually gonna die. Hold up. Come over. I saw this guy. He's right here. Hold up. Spot him. There's two. Reload. Okay. My hands are so sweaty from just pressing on the keys. They know I'm the truth. We're just gonna stay in here all game. Literally the way. You just hide in these. Someone just died. Whenever somebody comes in, we shoot them. No! Dang it! Oh, we got 145 fruit baskets though. That's a good. Dang, bro, he for real got me. Hold up, we got this helmet. Oh crap. Gimme. That looks awesome. Yeah, bro. Look at him. We could have put... Bro, look at him. No. Oh yeah, I had the headband on. Nah, bro, military helmet now. Let's see. What can I get in the summer shop? We have 587. I don't like any of this. Now this is cool, but I don't use this gun. I don't like it. It's not my, you know. We got beach sunglasses. That's awesome. It's not what I wanted at all. I mean, they're better than these, so. Bro, look at him. He's drip. Look at this drip. Look at this drip, guys. Hold up. Look at this drip. Look at this drip. Okay, let's play. Okay, back. Where should we go? Villas, maybe. Dang, bro, I don't know. We'll just go here. I mean, we might die, but, you know, it's fine. It's like the rundown area, and then right next to it's right beside us. We'll just go there, honestly. We'll just go there. I mean, it's fine. They can't take our drip anyway, so like, why would somebody kill us? They can't take this drip. Nobody can take our drip, guys. Well, that's what they're used for. I could see that being a use. Okay. Sorry if you hear humans in the background. I know, bro. So sad. I'm just kidding. Did I already loot? No, there's no way. Yeah, so I thought. Ninja boots. What the hell are those? Anyway. Yeah, I'm going. When do y'all go to school? Type in the comments. I go to school on the 10th. No crap. I didn't even turn off the help reminders. Give me that. Because I'm a stupid person. I feel like academics don't really... I mean, but like 1 plus 1, like plus, minus, subtraction, division, multiplication, yeah, that all plays a factor in someone's dumbness, etc. But, like with common things, do you think people would be dumber or smarter? Like video games. We all know people are dumber in video games if they haven't played video games. It's like that. I don't know what I'm trying to say right now, but, you know. 20-minute video is gonna be chopped into like probably 18 minutes. I don't know. No, because I'm still alive. Hold up. Just chill. Just chill. Don't even. Got him. Hit him a couple times. Hold up. Reload. Okay. This is what I don't like. I always get trapped. Just keep going. Crap. Need more juice. To be alive. Be cool. I died. Oh well. And I was like the 11th player dead. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. All that. You already know what to do. And goodbye.